Out-end shield is a structure which supports the generator bearing, oil deflector, and H2 seal assembly. The seal casing is a sealing device to prevent the leaking of hydrogen gas, used as a coolant from the generator. It has seal segment attached. The bearing is for supporting the generator rotor, and there are 3 bearings. The rotor is a part where spins around in a generator and provides direct current to field winding in the exciter. The rotor shaft works as supporting the field winding and makes a slot in the core part and inserts rotor winding. At the center of the shaft, there is a hole to examine inside flaws with bore scope. The rotor winding is a copper wire with direct current to make rotor shaft a field. The coil protection ring is a cylinder installed at the rotor end, by shrink-fitted to prevent coil moving away from strong centrifugal force, which has been caused by high-speed revolution. The brush is a part which is installed on the surface of the collector ring to make sliding contact to apply an electric current between the electric circuit of generator rotor and external circuit. The collector ring is a cylindrical ring installed on the surface of the rotor shaft to provide direct current produced in the exciter to the rotor winding. Direct current is provided through the brush. The stator is a part which is fixed in a generator, and armature winding is assembled and abandons electromotive force interlinkaging with the magnetic flux provided by the rotor. It is consisted of core supporting winding and the frame to install the core. The frame is a cylindrical structure supporting stator structure, bearing stand, and the hydrogen cooler, which works as attached device supporter, sealing hydrogen gas, constructing airway, and preventing torsion. The stator core provides magnetic flux, way, which connects rotating field and make cold-rolled silicon steel plate fan-wise and insulate to stratify it. The stator winding is made of the half coil and is inserted in the slot of stator core, then weld the end and use it as flat-type copper wire. The stator winding interlink with the magnetic flux provided from the rotor and abandons electromotive force. The stator cooling water pipe is a device for providing cooling water to the generator stator winding. The high voltage brushing refers to withdrawal terminals of the stator winding. The hydrogen cooler is a heat exchanger for cooling hydrogen, which is used as cooling gas for the generator rotor.